but this year we thought we'd try Lilac wine. So the rest of the video will be explaining exactly what we've done to get things ready, the prep time, the picking of the lilacs, and the whole brewing process from beginning to end, including the tasting portion. So here we are. This is a shot of the secondary that the lilac wine has been in for 3 weeks. It sat in the primary for approximately 10 days before transferring it to what you see here. And we're going to be transferring this wine over to another secondary in the next few days. You can see here that after several weeks, there's still a lot of activity taking place. What I'd like to do is get rid of as much sediment as possible. It was very difficult to move or to remove a lot of the sediment from the primary to the secondary. So I'm hoping the next transfer will eliminate most of it. Okay, so here we are. We're back after 4 days, and as you can see, we have a very clear liquid. There is some sediment here at the bottom. It's not too much to worry about. And what I'll do now is I'll leave this in the secondary for about 2 weeks before I transfer it once again. So I'll see you then. So today is bottling day for the lilac wine. It has been in the secondary for approximately 2.5 months, and I've decided that today is the day to bottle it. And I'm recycling 6 beer bottles that are approximately 375 ml each, and I'm hoping to get a full 6 bottles. So here we are back in the Murlo wine cellar for our lilac wine tasting test. Much anticipated because I've never brewed this before. We batch aged for 3 months, and then when we transferred it to the bottles, we left it in there for another 3 months before the tasting. So we're gonna give this a try and see how it turned out. So my initial thoughts is it is clear. It has retained its lilac bouquet. Not real strong, but it certainly is present. There's definitely a citrus, similar to grapefruit, I guess is what I'm trying to say. It does finish smooth. Actually, that's a keeper. I would do it again. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please go to our blog, Murlo.ca, where we have the complete brewing instructions and the ingredients used. Thank you for watching.